Basically, this MOU is a way of intent showing by Sufi and BSE to work together going forward. In the next process, basically BSE will work with Sufi to create a steel product, which is futures product. In futures, you do standardized trading. You have specific days of deliveries. You have also specific quality of goods and also the lot sizes. So on that basis, BSE will work with Sufi to create industry-based or industry-defined contracts, which we will apply to SEBI. And once the approval comes, we'll start trading in those. So it's pretty much a matter of a few months within which we will be able to complete the process. And of course, once we start trading, then of course each quarter, each month, we will have to keep on adding newer and newer contracts and hope that all Sufi members end up trading in this contract and make it a great success. Basically, nowadays, all the steel contracts, or even all derivatives contracts, futures contracts, option contract in India are delivery based. So effectively, the industry will be able to plan its requirements going forward and also able to buy what is deliverable. Earlier, the contracts were not deliverable, so people had to actually trade, but they didn't even know whether they will get delivery or not. Now they will get delivery, and that's where I think they can plan their requirements, buy it from BSE, and they will actually be able to take delivery, give delivery. And so it's basically a marketplace. It's not only for the sake of speculation, but also for hedging and also day-to-day trading. So we will also work with the industry to organize itself, to ensure that it automates itself in terms of day-to-day spot trading, clearing, settlement, and every other parts, including the quality control and so on and so forth. So it's once you organize or work with an organized market like BSE, the benefits of standardization that accrues not only in the derivatives market or futures and options, but also in the spot market going forward. In a sense, a very new concept that comes in. Many people may take some time to understand. It has happened in stock markets, but slowly over a period, everyone has got involved, and they have found that the futures and options actually provide a lot of benefits to the industry, and that's where I think overall, especially for the users, this allows them to plan 3 months in advance, 6 months in advance, and that is what basically, and also lock in the price. Today, you may know your demand 6 months from now because you may have contracts, but you do not know what would be the price of the goods, the raw material, that is steel, going 6 months, while as on BSE, you will be able to lock in that price, but not pay now. Instead, pay after 6 months, take your delivery, but at the predetermined price. And there are many usages of the futures, which currently the market has not even thought about, because usually we do not have that facility, so we don't know how it will work. But in many other contracts, like in cotton, in guar seed, guar gums, in gold, in silver, also in commodities, in various other commodities, BSE has launched these contracts and they are working very well. So I have no doubt that this will allow people to plan for the future, and that is a big plus, especially when you have contracts in hand and you do not know what to quote. Whereas looking at these numbers, you will be able to quote going forward.